You guys know how much I love coffee. I'm excited to say that we are going to put together our homeschool coffee station today. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is finally the day I am building our coffee station, coffee bar down here in our homeschool room. This is part of our school space series where I have been taking you along as I have cleaned, organized, put away curriculum, and just generally set up a new homeschool room or homeschool space down here in our walkout basement. Now, this room that I'm standing in right now, for the previous owners, they had this set up as a bar. There was beer and wine glasses, sports paraphernalia, a pool table. It was just a bar slash family room that they had set up down here. And we decided to transform this area into my kids' playroom and homeschool space. My vision for this room is I really want to take this bar area and make it our workstation to do our day in and day out school. But I also wanted to have a coffee house slash library vibe to it. I have lined the room with books and educational materials so that way it just has that cozy feel that you just want to sit down and read or work and study. And I'm also putting in an entire coffee station and tea as well, so that the kids and I can make coffee or tea and just make this a space that we want to be, that we want to hang out. Now, today's video is going to be completely devoted to our coffee station, coffee bar. It is Saturday, Justin is off work, and so he is going to help me set up this area, hang up some shelves and some different things like that, and move in our new espresso machine. Yeah. That's right, I said a new espresso machine. I'm so excited. I have been saving my pennies and hoping and dreaming for several years now to get one for our home, and finally I made it happen, and so we're just really excited to get it started. I need to do a lot of research on how to pull shots and make good coffee, but we're learning. It will be a learning curve. It'll be a lot of fun. So I'm just going to take you along today and let you kind of see how we are setting up the area, how I decide to decorate it, what supplies I'm putting in. I just hope you guys enjoy today's coffee station day. Now, it has been several weeks since I deep cleaned this school room. As I said, this has been a process little by little. So I'm going to quickly just clean out these cabinets, wipe them out again before I stock them with all of our coffee supplies. So Justin helped me hang up these awesome shelves. I'm super excited about this. We did put in some anchors in the wall so this can hold a ton of weight. I really wanted this not to only be a place that I could put up some decorations and make look nice, but I also wanted it to be super functional. I want to be able to put coffee mugs up here, coffee supplies, things like that. I also have this entire cabinet down below the espresso machine that I will also be able to use for storage just for coffee supplies. But I really wanted to have a nice balance of form and function. In the first video in the series, I took you on a tour, kind of a before shot of this room, of this space before we started doing our projects down here. And I showed you guys that this is actually a walkout basement that goes out onto a multi-tiered deck. And now that spring is here and summer will be here before we know it, I'm really excited to maybe add a seating area out there, lots of potted flowers, maybe a little garden space for the kids so that we can go outside and also do school out there. So as you can see, this school space, it's really multifunctional. I'm really just trying to make it a place that we as a family want to be, want to spend a lot of time in. So I'm really just excited as to where this whole project is going. All right, guys, well, that wraps things up. I hope you enjoyed seeing our new coffee area, coffee station, coffee bar. We are so excited to roll up our sleeves and get busy using it, making espressos and teas and all kinds of fun things down here. Now, if you have not done so already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. There are going to be a few more videos that I'm going to include in this school space series coming up. In particular, our nature center, that's going to be my next video in the series, and you're not going to want to miss it. All right, guys, I hope you're having a great week. See you later.